A mole is a quantity, similar to a dozen. There are 12 items in a dozen, and 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd items in a mole. A dozen eggs, a dozen bagels, and a dozen pencils have different weights or masses and have different properties. The term dozen tells you that there are 12 of the item. Similarly, a mole of iron and a mole of copper have different masses and have different properties, but both represent the same number of atoms, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms.
Avogadros' number is 6 times 10 to the 23rd. Any collection of this many objects of any kind is called a mole. In general, we use Avogadros' number to convert numbers of atoms into measurable amounts of chemical. Avogadros' number is really big. If we covered the lower 48 states with a mole of popcorn, or 6 times 10 to the 23rd pieces of popcorn, the pile of popcorn would be 500 kilometers deep. The layer of popcorn would be twice as high as the International Space Station. But an equal number of atoms of magnesium can fit on this scale and weigh only 24.3 grams.